Ang sabon na ito guys is Cheryl Tallow with Turmeric. So napakaganda guys, and premium tallow talaga ito guys is grass fed also. So gawa sa all natural ingredients na siguradong alaga ang inyong balat. Gentle sa skin, nakaka-moisturize at nourishing, and perfect for everyday use. Lalo na guys kung gumagamit tayo ng hot water. Available guys, pwede nating i-deliver sa US, Canada, Europe, and saan mang sulok kayo ng mundo, pwede nating i-deliver basta babayaran nyo guys yung shipping fee. So ngayon guys, ginawa ko na kasi opening tayo ay on sale. So kung bibili kayo guys ng isang dosena, regular price, and then the second one, mabibili nyo ang another isang dosena ng only 99 cents. So if you buy 12 pieces for regular price, you can buy another 12 pieces for only 99 cents. Bagsak presyo to guys. Wala kayong makikita na ganitong presyo na mabibili nyo yung isang dosena guys ng only 99 cents. So ano ba yung ingredients na hinalo natin sa ating soap guys? Argan oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, shea butter, castor oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil. So ayan guys yung halo ng ating sabon, and grass-fed tallow, and also turmeric. Napakaganda guys sa ating skin kasi yung tallow guys is from rendered beef fat. So pinaka-traditional and powerful ingredients ng ating sabon. So deep moisturizing, halos kapareho ng natural skin oil, skin barrier repair, rich in vitamin A, D, E, K, anti-aging guys, anti-inflammatory. So maganda ito guys, lalo na kung nagkaka-pimples kayo sa ating mga dry skin. Perfect na perfect itong ating sabon na ito guys. So kaya ayan guys, ano pang inaantay nyo? Pag bibili kayo ng 12 pieces regular price, you can get another 12 pieces for only 99 cents. So available guys sa ating website, www.cherylskincare.com. So ayan guys, on sale tayo kasi tayo ay opening. So ano pang inaantay nyo guys? Check out na!